Hello friends, this is Vinay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make Windows 11 bootable USB stick using Rufus. So let's get started. But before you start following the process, you need three things. The first one is ISO image of Windows 11. I have already created a video on how to download ISO image from Microsoft, so you can check it. The second thing you need is Rufus. To download it, you need to launch web browser and visit this page. This is official web page of Rufus. Here on this page you need to scroll down to this download section and download the latest version of Rufus, that is 3.17 as of creating this video. So the third thing you need is USB stick of minimum 8 GB of storage. So now that you have all the things, you are good to go. So the first step is to run Rufus tool, and if USC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Now you need to insert your USB stick to device. Under the device, make sure that your USB stick is detected, and under boot selection you need to select disk or ISO image. Now click on this select button and select the ISO image of Windows 11. Now under image options, you need to make sure that standard Windows 11 installation TPM 2.0 plus secure boot is selected. Under partition scheme, GPT should be selected, and target system should be UEFI non-CSM. So under format options, you can give your USB stick a name. So let's name it Windows 11 USB, and you need to leave file system and cluster size as it is. If you click on this show advanced format options, you will find quick format option. I have already formatted my USB stick, that's why it is grayed out. But in case your USB stick has data, then you will find this quick format option to be active. So make sure that you have created a backup of your USB stick before following this procedure. So now you are all set. Just click on this start button. Now you will get the warning that all data on the device will be destroyed. Click OK, and this will start the process of creating Windows 11 bootable USB stick. So once the process complete, you will get the confirmation that your Windows 11 bootable stick is ready. Now you can use this bootable stick to perform clean installation of Windows 11. So that's all about this video. This is how you can make Windows 11 bootable USB stick using Rufus. Give it a try. If you have any query, feel free to drop in the comments. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.